Mama wange, jamu bagamba kedda. Tujja kudda mu family later. Ne amanyi muwala we mwana mulungi regardless. Akimanyi mulungi nnyo ky'okolaba yagambye njagala ntebe esooka. Ayagala laba muwala we bw'oba ggwe nga gwe wamuzaala. Are you enjoying the show? Yes? Shout out to my Americanos who flew all the way from America to come and show me some love. Anita Fabella, I see you. To my friends, Sheila, Adila, I see you, everybody. My mom, my family, for the first time. For the very, very first time. My brothers here, all my mom's children are here in this table. This table right here, my brothers, my sister, my mother, my other mommy. These are all my cousin Jazz, who I love so much. I love you so much, guys. My family means the world to me, and I'm so glad they're here sharing this moment with me. I do everything for my family, and I know you do the same. Yeah? If you don't do that for your family, who are you gonna do it for? Enough with the talk. Can we go back to business? Can we go back to business? Maestro, I want to tell you this right here. This is Uganda. This is Uganda. Uganda supporting Ugandan talent. And it means a lot to us because without you, who will be singing for? I love you so much. I'm grateful. And I want you to know, let's keep supporting each other. And one day, Uganda will be on the map as one of the best. One of the best countries with talent, because we are talented. It's my brother. I see you. Oh, my brother is single. Ladies, there he is. We need someone to get married in my family. If you are Ugandan and you love Uganda and you support Uganda and you will forever support Ugandan music, let me see your hands up. This is Uganda Hits. You say you love the way I scream love. You say you love the way I scream love. What? Go on to the bit. And what she in the style of Sabata. What you find out is set up. What she go on to the bit, to the bit, to the bit, to the Sabata. What I'll sing it down. Hey, what? Take my car, and then you back up at 20 miles. Take my college, take my desire. Sheebaholic swag on. Let me see the flag. Yeah. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna come back.